Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in the microwave. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 medium-sized apples, about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Also, have 1 sheet of pre-made pie crust and a microwave-safe dish, roughly 8 inches across, ready to go. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, quick dessert. Now, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing your 2 medium apples into consistent pieces. Next, in a mixing bowl, gently combine these apple slices with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. To ensure a perfectly thickened filling, stir in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This simple step makes all the difference for a wonderful texture. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully line your 8-inch microwave-safe dish with 1 sheet of the pre-made pie crust, pressing it gently into place. Then, evenly pour the prepared apple filling directly into the crust-lined dish. For the top, you can cut a second pie crust into strips to create a classic lattice design, or simply cover it with a full sheet. This makes it look beautiful. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your pie. Place your assembled pie into the microwave and cook on high for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The apples should be tender when done. Once cooked, let the pie cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to set. Serve your warm, homemade microwave apple pie with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream for a truly delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.